So we have two 9-in-1 eyeshadow palettes. My favorite palette would be the Soirée. So as you can see, this is the palette. It comes in very soft tone. It's very peachy, earthy. Some are shimmery and some are matte. So it helps you to build up the eye. You can highlight what you need to highlight and you can keep those places matte which you want to keep matte. So they're more for an early evening, for a soft glamorous look. So the first look I created on Aisha, I would say a very variable evening soiree look. I used mostly a Soirée palette. It's a soft brown, smoky, with a pop of copper on the eyelid. So first I highlighted the eye, the inner corners, with the champagne metallics. I went into the crease with a fluffy brush, enhanced the crease of the eye with the matte tones, just to give it a little depth. Base of the eyelid, I used rose metallic, just to intensify it, just to spread it and blend it. But no, my favorite product, the copper foil. Take a little bit on your finger and you stroke it a little evenly over the eyelid. And on those places where you want it more intense, you dip it in and you press it more, and then you just blend with your fingers the edges of it, and then you create a very liquidy metallic look. I used the champagne in the inner corners because I didn't want the inner corners to pop out that much.